given the directions last year, and so many of you I had, but just to review, does anybody remember what I told you to do last year when you did revising and editing?
Oh, I think I wasn't with you last year, but
do
we like go back and like, or do we mark what we think is like good enough, like what we think will be a question, or we read the question and then go back?
No, that's not really what I was getting at. Yeah, Dawson. No, well, yes, but no, that's not where I was at. What change should be made in sentence 2? I want you to go and I want you to highlight sentence 2, all of it.
That's what I meant. Like, go back and look.
Okay. Well, you have to go back and look, right? Just follow along and see if this answers. So then I want you to go through each one of A, B, C, and D. And I want you to work your way through each one of these just like you were proving your math. If you were solving a math problem and you have to prove what you did, I want you to prove that you've done A, B, C, and D. So the first one is letter A, delete the comma. Well, let me go find the comma. It's right here. Now I have to ask myself, do I want to delete that? What is this comma doing?
Nothing.
It's not true. It is doing something. It was time for the weekly 5th grade volleyball game, an inevitable scene of mental anguish for me. What is an inevitable scene of mental anguish? No. What is an inevitable scene of mental anguish? What are we talking about? It was time for the weekly 5th grade volleyball game. No, sir. An inevitable scene of mental anguish. What is the inevitable scene?
She's scared.
No. It was time for the weekly 5th grade volleyball game.
Okay, it's a scene.
Emery.
The next scene of mental anguish is the 5th grade volleyball.
And this is why you're my favorite.
That's right.
Stop yelling.
Yeah, the
Hey, Devontae, don't yell at me because what you said was wrong.
yell.
Shh, I'm looking at Josh. You did not. I don't know what you meant. I just know what you said.
Wait, I said that was a scene, right?
Emery, in order to solidify the fact that you are my favorite for a reason, can you please tell me what this comma is doing? If an inevitable scene of mental anguish is describing the volleyball game, what is this comma doing? It is making an yes. Okay. Can I get rid of this comma then, Max? No, I can't. I have to have the comma for the appositive. So I go back over here to letter A and I cross that out. It can't be deleted comma because that comma is making it a positive. Next, change inevitable with an I to inevitable with an A. What am I going to tell you to do for this one, Josh? You know, this is a straight up dictionary skill. Look it up before you even go, I think I know, that doesn't look right. You look it up and be absolutely sure. Letter C says change seen with an SC to seen, S-E-E-N. Go find it, put it on top. Now, if you don't know, what do you do? If you don't know the difference, what do you do?
Dictionary.
Okay, Josh, we're going to dictionary it up again. But I will tell you, without looking, I'm very sure that I don't want to change it. I know I don't want to change that. So now I have to decide, is inevitable spelled incorrectly? Do I need to change it? Or should sentence 2 not be changed? I have to look this up. There's no way around it.
I
What?
mean what you told us. You said it's less likely for the sentence to not be changed.
That's right. You only go to D if you can rule out A, B, and C. But the only way you can rule out A, B, and C is to work through A, B, and C. Fish?
Wash.
Okay.
Just wash.
Let's see if you can get